We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Now, to integrate ChatGPT, you'll need to use a third-party add-on. In the top left corner, click on the New button, then select Google Docs to create a new document. With your document open, head to the Extensions menu in the top toolbar. Click on Add-ons, and then select Get Add-ons. This will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and look for a reliable add-on that suits your needs. Be sure to check the ratings and reviews to make a good choice. Once you find one, click Install and follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. After installation, go back to your Google Doc, click on Extensions again, and you'll see the newly installed ChatGPT add-on. Click on it to open the sidebar. Here, you can start typing prompts or questions and ChatGPT will generate responses right within your document. This is incredibly useful for generating content ideas, drafting emails, or even brainstorming. You can also adjust settings within the add-on to customize your experience based on what you need from ChatGPT. Keep in mind that while using third-party add-ons, it's important to manage your data and privacy settings carefully. With everything set up, you can now seamlessly integrate AI-powered assistants into your Google Drive workflow, making your productivity soar. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.